I'm David O'Shell, and I'm artistic specialist for ColorProof. Each and every one of my clients has become like family to me. And I pride myself in always helping them with all of their hair challenges, trying to make them feel the best they can feel, and helping them to be the most confident they can be. Did you know? Now, I don't know about you, but that's the majority of my clientele base. I always want to ensure that I talk to them one-on-one, make them feel comfortable, and let them know that we're going to work together to get their hair to thrive to the best of its ability. It all starts with a conversation during the consultation service. Oftentimes, clients are too shy or too embarrassed to tell me that they have an issue. Some don't even know they have an issue. So first, I'm going to ask questions just to see where they're at within their own discovery. Have you noticed a change in your hair's thickness or density? Or do you have any concerns that we need to address together, such as breakage or thinning? If I notice that my client has overall thinning, a receding hairline, or has begun to develop alopecia spots, I want to bring it to their attention immediately, but in a non-alarming way, of course. I let them know that I have a non-medicinal, color-protecting solution that will reverse the damage of the hair and create an optimal environment for the hair to continue going thicker, fuller, and healthier. I will ask my client if they would like to try the 3-step system. That way I can walk them through the process in the salon with a scalp treatment for $15. Now, I always make sure to add that there's no obligation to purchase anything else. But if they do choose to take treatment home with them, that I will take off that $15 off of the take-home kit. This gives me the opportunity to share their hair's needs in a non-selling way and gives them the opportunity to try without buying with a bonus of a luxurious scalp treatment. It's a win-win. Cleansing the hair with BioRepair-8 anti-thinning shampoo. I always explain how this is the essential step because this preps the hair and the scalp so that it can receive all of the ingredients in the following steps. Let your client smell the product and explain to them that they should expect a tingle as it's massaged in. As I apply the condition to my client's scalp, I let them smell it. I explain the importance of massaging this conditioner into the scalp to receive all of the benefits, but I also let my client know that they're more than welcome to apply different or additional conditioner to the ends. After 1 minute at home, they can rinse. However, in my salon, I extend the scalp massage as part of my scalp treatment. When we return to my chair, before I apply step 3, the serum, I always like to show the client the box kit so they can visually see what I just shared with them. I apply the serum, making note that I'm only using 1 dropper directly on the scalp, not on the hair itself. I will also put a little bit in their hands so that they can feel how lightweight it is, just to ease any concerns they may have of weighing the hair down. By now, your client should be fully comfortable with each step of the system, and you can continue on with the service that you're providing. At the end of their appointment, I always like to have a post-consult. I like to ask, how did you feel about the treatment? How does your hair feel now? We address any questions they may have, and then I ask, how would you feel about taking this product home and continuing your treatments at home? And remind them that $15 that they paid for their treatment can be applied to their take-home kit. And we also offer a 60-day money-back guarantee should they see no results. My clients are always so comfortable and happy with this approach that they rarely say no. One last tip. Ask your clients to take a weekly progress picture. That way you guys can review it together and see at each appointment how things are going. If you would like to see more befores and afters, real life clients, go to colorproof.com and follow us on Instagram at ColorProof Pro for more tips and tricks for inside the salon. Thank you.